Hello, my name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. Welcome to Higher Alignment, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the dark side of personal development. If you find the content and the information in this video valuable, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you are here on this channel, chances are you love personal development or you're going through your own personal development or personal transformation journey. Now, quickly you will learn that there's a lot of things that can be changed in your life, and it seems like there's always something more to do or there's always something to fix. So this, unfortunately, is the dark side of personal development. It can make you feel a little uncomfortable about yourself or that there's something wrong with you. But the way that I would like to explain this today is there are two types of approaches to personal development. You have the masculine aspect or the masculine way of approaching personal development, or you have the feminine aspect and the feminine way of personal development. Now we know masculine energy is the energy of doing, it's the energy of action. So if you are approaching personal development from a masculine perspective, sorry if you all hear that there's people who are doing landscaping in the background. But if you are approaching personal development from a masculine perspective, using masculine energy, this is typically the do, the analyzing, the fixing, the trying to figure out what's going on, the breaking it down, the going back to your childhood. So this is typically the process, the way that most people engage in personal development. Now, there's nothing wrong with this at all, and it does have its place. It's very practical and it serves its purpose. However, another way to engage in personal development, which is the feminine aspect, the feminine energy of personal development, is accepting yourself as you are. Knowing that you are complete and you are perfect just the way that you are, and really there's nothing that needs to be changed. And if you are listening to this and you're absorbing this information, it may seem like these two aspects don't go well together or they don't fit together, but they actually do. Everything in your life is exactly the way that it needs to be. Sorry about the background noise. Everything in your life is exactly the way that it needs to be. Many religions and spiritual systems tell us this, that you are perfect just the way that you are. And sometimes it's just our perception, our perspective that blinds us to the perfection that really is in us and of us. So when you're approaching personal development from a feminine aspect, from the feminine way, using the feminine energy, you might just want to begin accepting yourself as you are. That's going to be the perfect step. This, if you think about it, is going to build up your self-confidence. It's going to build up your self-esteem. Just like if you were to approach personal development from a masculine perspective and you're trying to figure out, okay, where is my self-confidence and my self-esteem lacking? Where do I have issues? Where do I have problems? And let me go in and systematically break these things down in order to rebuild them back up. Both ways will suffice. Both ways have their place, and they will get you where you need to go. So just remember, if you are engaging in personal development, don't get stuck in this place of feeling like there's something wrong with you or that everything about you just needs to be fixed. There's nothing wrong with you. You are perfect just the way that you are. And if there are aspects of your life that you want to improve, go ahead and improve them. But make sure that you approach your personal development journey with a sense of balance. So I hope this video and this information has served you well. Once again, if it has, go ahead and subscribe and tap that bell icon so that you can get notifications on all future videos.